Hello, everyone. Okay, I would like, since this video has been created with a view to walking you through the online session so that you have some kind of guideline as to what you have to do. Allow me to share my screen. Okay, so if you come to glohima.com, which is the website we shared in class the other day, and you come to C21 lesson plan, which is the same as this, okay? Uh, then you have to click, as I explained, on the menu here on the left-hand side, October from the 6th, this is the same, okay, from the 6th to the 8th of October. Then if you extract the PDF, you will see the plan that I have for my on-site lesson and for the online lesson. The plan for the online lesson is down here. If you scroll down, you will see the plan. Session 2, focus on skills. So usually what I'm planning to do, by any sort of suggestion we will welcome, is to devote the first session to use of English and the second session to focus on skills. So we will be doing different skills every week, probably listening every single week. Then some other week reading and mediation. The next week writing and speaking. Depends on the length of the task, and because depending on whether the tasks are longer or shorter, we can sort of be more comprehensive, or we can just narrow down the different tasks to only one or two or three, or depending on how many skills. So if you come here to the PDF and you click on OneDrive, here, if you click here, this is what you will have. You have October on OneDrive, October the 6th to the 8th, with all the files that you will need for this week. Why are there files here? There are files because I cannot publish some of the materials that I have included here. Those listening have been taken from a website, a public website, and the readings have been taken from a public website. So if, again, back here, you click on the Teams link, just wait a sec, wait a sec. Wait a sec. You come to the channel, to the general channel. Okay, every week, here on the left menu, assignments. Okay, and this is the assignment section. If you click on one assignment, like here, this is my view, not a student view. You see that I can see who has handed in and who hasn't. Not that I am going to be very strict on that, but Conselleria might be, because they are the authorities, and they might want to supervise whether this is working out in the expected way or not. I cannot deny that maybe I will take a look, but I am not going to be excessively strict on that. You can be flexible. If you cannot do the tasks of one week during that period, you can do them the next week. I mean, they will have a deadline, but that deadline, I won't be strict on the deadline either. I have to set a deadline because the activity forces me to set a deadline. So I will set an approximate deadline, but I'm not going to be strict either. You can take as much time as you need to in order to do that task. So we go back. Okay, considering the listening and the reading, since they are files or folders which have been included in OneDrive, you can open them from the from on, I mean, on OneDrive. You can open them on OneDrive. If I open this and you click on one of the files, this is the precisely this is the this one, for example. Okay, you have the interactive activity, the self-correcting activity. But sometimes it doesn't work all right, and you might find that the answers have been given. So it does not work all right online. So my advice is that you download the interactive files and you work from your computer. So if you work from your computer, if you download them from here, download, and then you come back to download, you can work from home and it works much better than if you do them online. Okay, coming back to the assignments, I have this week I have added several assignments covering different skills. So I have added the listening, focus on listening. Okay, in the focus on listening, this is what you will see. You have the PDF, a link to the PDF and the audios. I think the PDF, I don't know whether it will be external. I do not remember what I did. This is what you will find. Well, it will be not found, not found. Well, I will have to see to that. You will have. I don't know whether what I did. I don't know what to do. But I will think about it. Whether giving you an external link to the website where the listening has been taken from, because there can be. Probably I will do that. The PDF will be to the external website where you can you can download it yourselves, and I don't know what I will do with the audios. What I was thinking of doing is adding a link to a OneDrive folder with all the audios there. If you want to do them on the original website, you have to get out of the PDF onto the real website. So you have to find the right listening with the right audio. That's why what I did was to keep the audios in one folder on OneDrive so that you have them all available when you need them. But probably the PDF will be a link to the original website. And anyway, I added an interactive activity in case you would like to do them on the screen of your computer. So you will have the audios on OneDrive, and then on the screen of your own computer or on OneDrive, the interactive activity where there are drop-down menus or multiple choice or a close. You can do it and you can check whether your answers are right, and you can also ask it to show, for example, as here, this is okay, well, you see, check whether the answers are right. Reset means removing all the answers, or show the answers, whoa, gives you the key to the exercise. Back to Teams, so I added the listening, I added part one, which if my memory serves me well, part one is a multiple choice. I don't know whether I did it multiple choice or drop down menu with a multiple choice. I do not remember, but it's a multiple choice. So I think I will only ask you to do part one. As for the reading, there are 8 parts in the reading, which is this, and the same thing. I give you a link. Let's hope this one works. Okay. Okay, so I give you, I keep the link, the PDF on OneDrive too. So probably I will do the same thing with the listening. You have the PDF on OneDrive too, which you can download if you wish to. But anyway, in the event that you want to do it not online, I advise you to download it to your computer, but you want to do it on the screen of your computer as an interactive self-correcting activity, you have the interactive activities here. I decided the reading has 8 parts. I will open it up again. Okay, and I decided, as they are not very long, I decided to ask you to do the first part, which is a closed text with a multiple choice, which means that you have to fill in each gap, choosing one of the options that they offer. One thing that we can do is so the first task is a close with a multiple choice, but the second one is an open close. That means that you can um, fill in the gap with one option, one word, usually one word, that you have to produce all by yourselves. So no multiple choice. If my memory serves me well, at La PUC, you are more likely to find the second type than the first type. I think you find an open close, and you have to fill in the blanks with the words that you consider appropriate, which suit the context and do not contradict the rest of the text. So I suggest that for this week we do part 1 and part 2. Next, I also propose a speaking activity. Let's see how it works out. So here you have a link to this PDF. In this PDF, I am proposing a monologue. So, okay, I sort of guide you through the monologue. I mean, asking you to the ideas that you can explore within the monologue, suggesting a few useful expressions that you can use in your monologue, then suggesting a structure, and then a follow-up discussion. Okay, well, and then I added let's say a sample monologue, printed monologue, for you more or less to read and be aware of what sort of tone and level your language is expected to have. And then I propose a very strange activity. The strange activity is to do the monologue or to do another monologue with Chat GPT. So in Chat GPT, if you open Chat GPT, you will see on your mobile phone, you will see that the mobile phone at the bottom, you have a microphone where you can dictate things into Chat GPT, and you will find the script, or next to the microphone, you find a kind of icon with several vertical lines showing an audio. And if you click on that icon, you will find that there is a ball popping up on the screen, and this is let's say the oral Chat GPT. So you will hear Chat GPT, what can I do for you? Good morning. Okay, so that's the Chat GPT I would like you to have the conversation with. So I give you instructions as to how to do that. They have been included there in the text. And at the end, I propose a kind of activity with ChatGPT that I would like you to record and then to send me the audio to this address. To this address, if you like. I mean, or for example, better in Aules, in Aules, in Teams. No, but rather than the email, attach it to Teams, to the assignments. Send it to the assignment so that I can record all the assignments that you have done. No. Better in the assignment section of Teams. Post it here. Here, what I do is that I give you instructions as to how to how to do the activity and record yourselves on the same phone. I hope it works out. Let's try it out. And well, you can always give me feedback next day and tell me whether it did or it did not work out. And then I also suggest a writing activity. In this writing activity, there are also interactive activities, and there is a PDF. The PDF is this one on the right, and on the left you have the interactive activities. So in the first place, I give you, I give you transfers. Okay, I give you sentences, my typical transfers that I expect you to translate. And anyway, down here you have a model with my suggestions. Okay, the next command on the menu is organizing those sentences, but obviously my models. And then we organize them according to the part of the writing that we think they belong to. I mean, introduction, body one, advantages, body two, disadvantages, and the last part, conclusion. Okay, and we assign them here the same thing. I did not. Well, I did not. I forgot to add the show the answers. Well, never mind. I know. Oh, sorry, they are here. Reveal correct answers. They are not at the back. They are the uh, let's say the key or the button is at the top of the activity. I forgot. Sorry. So if you click on reveal correct answers, it will give you the key. Then the next is according to what according to what the allocation that we did in the activity and the part of the writing which we assigned each of the sentences to. Here we have, let's say, the whole key, which is a spoiler, obviously, because we have put all the sentences together in the right place. And here you will see how the final result, what the final sample is. And then finally, I said homework task. And I ask you to write an essay. Which I would like you to post in the assignments, in the assignment section on Teams. So if you like, now I will proceed to give a very short explanation of each of the tasks to be something which is a little bit enlightening for you to walk you through the task a little bit.